Hello, I'm going to demonstrate for you the proper sliding technique in baseball. We'll talk about friction. Unfortunately, we're in my house because the conditions outside are just not good enough for me to get down on the ground. And I'm not really, I'm kind of past the age of sliding at full speed. But what I can do is I can get on the ground here, and we can visualize this as being dirt as an infield. So the proper way to slide is down on your rear end here, and I'm right-handed, so, and even for lefties too, you want to bring your foot kind of behind your knee here and your hands up. So essentially you're sliding again on your rear end. And gravity is going to pull you back, obviously, but you want to stay extended so we get to the base. And the reason for the slide is to avoid the tag. And also, there is a point to sliding that makes it easier to get to the base. So obviously in a slide there's going to be friction stopping your momentum and stopping your speed. You got to be careful because there is a possibility of sliding too far. So if you misjudge your distance, most really good ball players they can hit the base on a good slide. However, there are times where the base runner will accidentally misjudge or maybe get caught up in the moment and overslide the base. So I think friction plays a role in this because obviously the dirt is and the ground, the earth is stopping the momentum because you're going from running and you're sliding. I guess a way that friction can hurt is it literally can injure the player. As I said, in a slide you want to be on your rear end. So if I go back down and I'm kind of more to the slide, you'll see a lot of young players who slide kind of on their leg, and they get what's called strawberries, or which are basically just they're burning, the friction of the slide is burning their leg, so they'll get scabs on the side of their legs. So this would be like a bad slide, like sliding on your side. So we want to always slide on our rear end. And then another thing that I wanted to touch on was the ball. Depending on the weather, especially some ballparks, and I'm thinking like AT&T Park in San Francisco, where it's very windy pretty much all the time, this can definitely affect the ball when it's hit really hard, when it's hit really high especially, or even when it's hit deep. A ball that is hit with enough force and acceleration to be a home run can be stopped by a strong wind that is blowing into the ball. So I just wanted to address that in the video, and I hope that I've displayed the slide very well.